After studying the asexual mode of reproduction in plants and animals, let us start with another method of reproduction, that is sexual reproduction. As said earlier, this type of reproduction occurs or involves fusion of two different kinds of gametes, which is unlike asexual one, in which only one gamete is involved. Thus, fusion of two gametes, that is male and female, occur in order to form zygote, which further develops into new individual. Thus, by this method, formation of male and female gametes, which can be either of the same individual or by different individuals, that is of the opposite sex, they fuse to form zygote. This process is comparatively complex and slow as compared to that of asexual one. Thus, this process is complex in nature and slow in speed. Because of this fusion of male and female gametes, the sexual reproduction that occurs gives birth to individuals or offsprings that are not identical to their parent ones. Since fusion of two different gametes are involved, the resulting offspring are totally different from that of parent. All organisms reach a certain stage of maturity and growth before entering into this sexual life. Now, such a stage or phase in which organisms reach a maturity stage along with the growth and development are called or is called juvenile phase. This stage is known as juvenile phase. However, in plants, the same phase is also called vegetative phase. Accordingly, the plants, animals, fungi, or other organisms differ in their external morphology, anatomy, or physiology, yet their sexual mode of reproduction is similar in pattern. That is, the basics of this reproduction is similar in all organisms. That is, all organisms execute this process with fundamental similarity. But the structures that are associated with this mode of reproduction are different in structures in all organisms. Therefore, the structures For reproduction to be carried out, that is sexual mode, are different in different organisms. Although the basic process that goes on is same in all organisms. This mode of reproduction is carried out with the help of various events or phases. For convenience, let us understand or divide them into three. Thus, the sequential events in order to carry out sexual reproduction are divided into mainly three types, or rather three stages. First, pre-fertilization event. Second, fertilization event. And third, post-fertilization event. Let us understand each of the events in brief.